Hi guys, welcome back to my channel YSF. Hari ni kita santai-santai, check it out, make for fun. Let's go.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
Apa yang dari jauh jangan risau untuk dapatkan penginapan. Kat sini mudah untuk dapatkan homestay. Kalau korang nak kemah pun kat sini boleh, tapi jiwa kena kental lah. Selalunya pengunjung suka datang sini hampa paling ramai sekali bila waktu cuti sekolah. Indek kata sesuai untuk hampa yang nak suasana tenang, nyaman. Lebih-lebih lagi dengan bunyi derisan air tu. Air dari rata lambung tu. Padu cik oi.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say
Don't forget to subscribe.